Wait, where's the D knob for this?
There is none.
There is none?
Yeah. Second to last is this 42-inch 3rd gen Charleston. I can't quite see what year it's from, but this is one of the lowest hanging in the basement. Like this switch cap is at like face height. Let's quickly take it through its paces. I think the 42-inch Charleston was only available after 2nd gen. I don't think it was a thing for like 1st gen ones. Wobbling but performing quite well. Actually, yeah, you can see the chrome Lady Delta back there. I'll shut it off. Yeah, there's a quick video of the 42-inch Charleston.